Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to continue downloading or updating in sleep mode. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So for the first step, head over to search and type in settings, then click on it. Once you're inside settings, click on system, then select power and settings. From here, click on screen and sleep and change these options so they are set to never. This ensures your screen doesn't turn off and your PC doesn't go to sleep during a long download or update. For the next step, go back to search and type in Edit Power Plan, then open it. Click on Power Options at the top, and on the power plan you're currently using, select Change Plan Settings. Make sure both of these options are also set to Never, just like before. After that, click on Change Advanced Power Settings to open more detailed options. Now, expand the hard disk option at the top and click on its settings. Here you'll need to estimate how long your download will take. For example, if you think it will take 6 hours, multiply 60 by 6, which gives you 360 minutes, and enter that value. If your download will take around 2 hours, multiply 60 by 2, which equals 120 minutes, and enter that instead. Once you've set the time, click OK. After completing all these steps, you can safely continue your download or update without interruptions. However, once the download or update is finished, it's recommended to revert all the settings back to normal, since keeping them like this can consume more power. And that's it. So that's basically how you can continue downloading or updating in sleep mode. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.